Hi and welcome to Motormatch Bolton. My name's Abby and in this video I am showing you this 2017 Volkswagen Tiguan. This model is the TDI BlueMotion Tech SE DSG with a 2-litre diesel engine. Taking a look at the front, it will have daytime running lights along with halogen headlights. It has the lower front fog lights helping in different weather conditions. It has front parking sensors helping with those tight spaces. Just looking now to the side. It has the lovely 18-inch alloy wheels that do suit the vehicle very well. Further up, the electric folding body coloured wing mirrors with the integrated indicators. It has the chrome window surround and rear tinted glass. Looking now inside the rear, it has room for 3 passengers. The seats are finished in cloth. As you can see, it does have the centre armrest along with 2 cup holders. There are storage compartments near the doors as well as storage pockets in the 2 front seats. This Tiguan does benefit from the 3-zone climate control, meaning the rear passengers can control their own temperature. It has the pull-out plastic trays that do make it easy whilst on a longer journey with the kids. They just easily fold away, nice and tidy like so. There is also plenty of space for your rear passengers. Just looking now to the rear, and it does have relevant model badging both sides. It has rear parking sensors which makes parking really easy. Just taking a closer look at the rear spoiler, which does give it a sporty look. Now just looking inside the boot, which it does open up to a huge amount of space. There is side storage and the underneath storage, which makes it really practical. It also has the spare wheel. The mileage covered is 18,208 and it has the silver roof rails. On the driver's side is the leather steering wheel. Continuing is the 2-toned cloth seats, which do look amazing and are comfortable. I have shown you the 360-degree view of the exterior and the interior, so I will now show you some of the technology while sat in the driver's seat. Inside the vehicle now is the leather multifunction steering wheel. To the left is cruise control with speed limiter, making motorway journeys that much easier. It has the volume hood down underneath. To the right you can answer your calls. With the arrows, you can skip through the radio stations like so. With the arrows up and down, it will show you different driver information. And with the arrows across, it will show you different driver displays. On top, the gear shift paddles. Now onto the driver's door, you do have the unlocking and locking, the electric adjustment for the wing mirrors, the 4 electric window controls, a storage compartment just at the bottom, behind the steering wheel, the control for the lights which currently is on automatic. Looking through the middle, this central display is touchscreen and currently it's on the home page. Just going on to radio, there are different radio wavebands as well as plenty of radio stations to choose from. With the Bluetooth function, you can listen to your own music as well as answer any phone calls. It has the Corner app Connect. You can adjust the sound settings. There is also more car information. Just go into the main menu now. You can adjust the air conditioning, which is easily adjustable by simply pressing the blue and red, which does keep a flowing temperature throughout. You can also adjust the general settings that easily can be changed. Further down you'll find it does have the dual climate control, which is easily adjustable with the dials like so. It has the front heated windscreen and the heated rear window. There is a little storage compartment along with a 12-volt socket and your USB and AUX connectivity. This vehicle does have the automatic transmission with the electric handbrake. Just popping it into reverse, and the front and rear parking aid will appear on the screen, making parking really easy. Further back is 2 cup holders, as well as a storage compartment. Thank you for watching this video on the Volkswagen Tiguan, which is part of our Motormatch promise. That includes a minimum of 30 days or a 1,000 mile warranty, whichever is sooner. Our AC extended warranty of up to 3 years is available along with flexible finance packages. All Motormatch vehicles are subject to a £150 administration fee, which covers the provenance check. For a personalised finance quote or to book a test drive, please call us on 01204 786 586.